Hi people. I hope that everything's pretty fine. I'm pretty fine. I know it's been like a really, really long time since I posted my last video, but today I'm back. And yeah, so I want to show you my progress. So I'm in the process of, learning Unity3d. So what's happening? A bunch of time. We're just gonna give it some time, you know. Okay. So I've been having some little thing on my scene, The last time I had it, some handmaids, and they were just like static thing. They were not able to move. So right now they are able to move, and just go all around the scene. And the thing that they can do, and I'm really proud of, is that they can detect object. Like if they say like obstacle, so they will be able to just detect the obstacle and just like change their way. So these are things that I work on today, this morning. So this is the thing that I've been doing, So they're able to see obstacles and just like move around. And, they are always running. The only thing that they can do is running. So I have the other one. So it's just because of the position. This is the reason why they are flying and I won't be able to, hit them because they are really, really far away. And I have the other one. Oh, it just moved too. Yeah, it moved. So will I be able to touch it? No, I won't. So I will need to stop the game and start again. Okay, let me show you what's gonna happen when I will hit one of them. Just give me one second. I literally didn't really work on it because I didn't really feel motivated, and you know things just started slowly to build up, and I was like wondering, or just trying to find a way in order to keep doing things because I never thought that it's gonna be really that quick and that big. I never thought that I will have 1 followers a day, but I have like 15 right now, and I was like, oh, I should have taken that thing seriously. YouTube. So I think I'm gonna take it seriously, but yeah, I just need some time to think about it. Let me try to kill it. Okay, I didn't touch it, but I'm still okay. If I touch it, I think it just okay. I touch it, so it's just gonna fly away and then disappear. With the rotation, of course, this is the thing that I set up in my last video. So yeah, I was not really active because I didn't really. I still want to take YouTube seriously, but for some kind of reason, I was not doing the thing that I need to do, that I have to do, you know, which is learning and sharing my progress. So I don't have any enemies in the scene. So yeah, they all move away. So this is the reason why I was not really active. So I think that I'm gonna be active this week, but I need to take some time in order to play thing and just do thing and do the thing and get the work done. But yeah, so I will keep posting my progress with you. I will keep talking to you. And I recently started thinking about the idea of up, opening up the channel a little bit, by posting other type of content such as drawing because I'm really into drawing. So I might post some illustration and stuff like that. So yeah, I don't know. Time will tell. So I hope that you're having a great day. I will see you